How to fix Razer Barracuda X dongle not working, easy fix 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So most of the people are facing the problem that Razer Barracuda X dongle is not working or not detected problem. So I have some solution for that. So first of all, you can check physical connection, like you have to make sure the dongle is securely plugged into a USB port on your computer, and ideally a USB 2.0 port, and avoid using the USB hub or extension as they can sometimes cause connection issues. If you have a USB-C dongle, try using the provided USB-A adapter and connecting it to a USB-A port directly. And if that doesn't work with you, or that's not the solution for your problem, you can also try pairing the headset and dongle. Like, download the Razer headset pairing utility from the Razer support website and follow the instructions in the utility to repair the headset with the dongle, and ensure the headset is powered on during the pairing process. And the other possible solution is you can try updating firmware and updates, like visit the Razer support visits website to download the latest firmware for your Barracuda X and dongle. Check for updated drivers for your headset and audio devices in device manager, and you can also check default sound settings, like open your computer sound settings and make sure the Razer Barracuda X is selected as the default playback and recording device. If you are using the dongle for audio output and mix input or mic input, ensure they are properly configured in your communication or gaming software. And you can also try troubleshooting further, like try the headset and dongle on a different computer to rule out issues with a primary device. And if the problem persists, the dongle might be faulty, or you may need to contact the Razer support or warranty validation. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.